Alright, if you haven't yet, go check out my merch page. I'll leave a link in the description below. Go click on it, go get yourself a shirt, help a brother out, help me out, help this channel out. Let's go. Click the link. Okay? That's all I gotta say. Just go click the link, alright?
Welcome to Newbie Crew.
Hey y'all, what's up? What's happening? What's going on? Welcome back to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest jazz, and today I have a science experiment. Something like that. Science project? I don't know. Whatever. Today we're going to see which is better. The homemade pizza smoker. Pizza smoking right now. Smoking like crazy for some reason. I don't know. Anyway, we'll have to figure that out. But we're going to use my homemade pizza grill and pizza oven, if you would. Or we're going to put a pizza on this pellet grill here, the Oklahoma Joe pellet grill, and we're going to see which is better. Which is better flavor-wise, which is better to cook on, the pellet grill or the homemade pizza oven that is smoking like a chimney. I'm not really sure why. I don't know, maybe I need to go open that vent. But anyway, that's what we're doing now, so let's get after it. Let's get these pizzas on. That should be almost ready. I think it's almost hot enough. Maybe we just need to open that vent up a little bit more or something like that. And then I'll check on this real quick and see how hot it is, and then we're going to put these pizzas on. I also get to use my pizza peel for the first time. I've never got to use this thing. Pretty excited about that. Vents are open. Vents at the bottom are open. Not sure why it's smoking so much out the front. Not quite to temp yet. Alright, so I got these Walmart pizzas. They look pretty good. Look like they got a good thick crust on them. This one's an ultimate meat pizza, and we got a pepperoni pizza for the kids. So now I got to figure out which pizza I'm going to put on which grill. Do I want to put this one on? Probably going to put this one on the pellet smoker, and probably put this one on the pizza oven. So I think that's what we'll do. Alright, so let's smoke now. Still got a little smoke, but that's normal. That is normal for this. But we got a little fire going back there, so we're going to go ahead and throw that pizza on. Right there. Just right there on the edge. And then we'll rotate it and move it around as we go. Alright, now this is going to be interesting to do one-handed here. I think we're just going to sit down right here. Lift this up. I'm going to set this to my smoke setting. Put it on the top shelf, just like that. Alright, pause this video, go down in the comments, make your bet. What do you think is going to turn out better? Pellet grill or pizza oven? Pellet grill or pizza oven? Let me know. Alright guys, so I think the pizza oven pizza is done. I did get just a little burn on this backside, but I think it'll be alright. The rest of it looks pretty good though. Whoop, almost lost it. Alright, I think this one's done too. Look at all that nice brown around the edge. I think that pizza looks amazing. Alright, let's get this bad boy pulled off there. Whew. Alright guys, what do you think? Tell me. That there is the one that was on the pellet grill. Looks pretty good. Then we got the one that was on the pizza oven. So, like I said, I'm not going to hold it against it. I burned the bottom. I was playing around with the camera and didn't turn it fast enough. So that's my fault. I just burnt this one little side of it. Not a big deal. But that looks phenomenal. I love the nice yellow cheese where it's kind of, you know, crispened up that cheese. I don't know if crispened up's the way to go, but that's what I'm talking about. How this little bit of cheese, see how it's a little bit yellow here? That is perfect. Love the way that looks. This one, not too bad. It got pretty yellow on the side. If I would have waited a little longer, it might have gotten more, but I think it's pretty good. I mean, it got pretty brown here, but I like it. I like the way it looks too. So we're going to go eat them. All right, guys. Tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments. What did you think was better, the pizza oven pizza or the pellet grill pizza? Personally, I think the pizza oven pizza did much better. But, you know, you let me know. They both look good. We're going to eat them both, so it doesn't really matter. But the pellet grill does a really mean pizza anyway. But the pizza oven, it just kind of adds something to it. You know, the flavor of that real fire, that real charcoal wood fire. Minus the burnt. I'm not holding that against it. That was my fault. But I really like it. I really do. Now, don't judge my pizza oven. It's homemade. It works. It actually works pretty good. But I know a lot of people are like, oh, you should do this with it. You should do that with it. I ain't going to mess with all that. It's just a pizza oven. It cooks a pizza. It cooks a frozen pizza. I mean, come on, right? So, anyway, that's all I got for you guys today. We'll see you guys next time on another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Don't forget, click the merch. Click the merch link down below. Get yourself a t-shirt. Help a brother out. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. I don't really get on Twitter, but it's all NewbieQ 2020. Check me out on those. What else? Oh, TikTok, NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue. Check me out there. I haven't posted on there for a while. I may have to do something. I may have to post a pizza video or something. I don't know. Anyway, see what I can come up with. We'll talk to you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Love you. Peace.